In the era where big tech companies are scrambling over memory crunches, Amazon scores one more point by giving its mid-tier Fire HD 10 tablet a surprise refresh. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet has just upgraded its RAM from 3GB to 4GB. This model has had 3GB of RAM for years and actually launched with just 2GB way back in 2017. Now the memory has increased again, while the rest of the specs remain the same. It features the same old 2 GHz octa-core processor, a 10.1-inch FHD touchscreen, and a battery that lasts for around 13 hours. This new model does seem to charge a bit quicker, as it can juice up in 4 hours instead of 5. Though the memory power has increased, but this tablet is still missing a few marks. The new Fire HD 10 is only available with 32GB of storage, and the old models were available in both 32GB and 64GB, and only Amazon can tell if it plans to add a 64GB model in the future as well. Also, it's 2026. If the RAM's increasing, it's obvious that it's going to come with a price. The tablet costs $155, which is around $15 more than the previous gen. Finally, you can only buy it with lock screen ads. If you have a Kindle and a Fire tablet and never found the ads to be that annoying, that tolerance might come in handy now. This is clearly not a budget-friendly tablet, but it still doesn't quite have the power to run intensive creative applications. The Fire HD 10 is a good device for laying in bed and watching stuff, and it's even safe around kids, as these things are pretty durable when it comes to handling and use. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.